Feeding and eating disorders are complex mental health conditions that involve disturbances in eating behaviors, body image, and weight regulation. These disorders can have significant physical, emotional, and social consequences and often require specialized treatment. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll explore the various types of feeding and eating disorders, their symptoms, and available treatment options. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa is characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight and a distorted body image. Individuals with anorexia often engage in restrictive eating habits, severely limiting their caloric intake and engaging in excessive exercise. Despite being underweight, they may perceive themselves as overweight and continue to pursue weight loss. Common symptoms of anorexia include significant weight loss, refusal to maintain a healthy body weight, intense fear of gaining weight or becoming fat, distorted body image, and amenorrhea, or the absence of menstruation in females. Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa involves episodes of binge eating followed by compensatory behaviors to prevent weight gain, such as self-induced vomiting, misuse of laxatives, fasting, or excessive exercise. Unlike anorexia, individuals with bulimia may maintain a relatively normal body weight, but they often experience feelings of guilt, shame, and distress about their eating behaviors. Symptoms of bulimia include recurrent episodes of binge eating characterized by eating large amounts of food in a short period, recurrent inappropriate compensatory behaviors to prevent weight gain, such as self-induced vomiting, misuse of laxatives, fasting, or excessive exercise, and self-esteem overly influenced by body weight and shape. Binge eating disorder. Binge eating is characterized by recurrent episodes of binge eating without the use of compensatory behaviors. Individuals who binge eat often feel a loss of control during binge episodes and may eat rapidly until uncomfortably full, even when not physically hungry. Binge eating is often accompanied by feelings of guilt, shame, and distress. Symptoms of binge eating disorder include recurrent episodes of binge eating, eating large amounts of food in a short period of time, feeling a lack of control over eating behavior, eating alone due to embarrassment about the quantity of food consumed. Avoidant restrictive food intake disorder. This involves a persistent failure to meet appropriate nutritional or energy needs, resulting in significant weight loss, nutritional deficiency, dependence on enteral feeding, or marked interference with psychosocial functioning. Unlike anorexia or bulimia, individuals with this disorder do not have concerns about body weight or shape, but experience anxiety or sensory aversions to certain foods or textures. Symptoms of avoidant restrictive food intake disorder include avoidance or restriction of food intake leading to inadequate weight gain or significant weight loss, dependence on enteral feeding or nutritional supplements, marked interference with psychosocial functioning. Treatment for feeding and eating disorders typically involve a multidisciplinary approach, including medical, nutritional, and psychological interventions. Medical interventions may be necessary to address any physical complications resulting from disordered eating behaviors such as electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, or cardiac issues. Nutritional counseling aims to normalize eating patterns, restore weight, and address nutritional deficiencies through meal planning and education about balanced nutrition. Psychological therapy such as cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, or interpersonal therapy help individuals addressing underlying emotional issues, dysfunctional thoughts, and behaviors associated with their eating disorder. Support groups and family therapy can provide additional support and encouragement for individuals and their loved ones. Feeding and eating disorders are serious mental health conditions that can have profound physical, emotional, and social consequences. Early recognition and intervention are essential for improving outcomes and preventing long-term complications. By understanding the different types of feeding and eating disorders, their symptoms, and the available treatment options, individuals, families, and healthcare professionals can work together to provide effective support and treatment for those who are affected by these disorders. If you or someone you know is struggling with disordered eating behaviors, it is essential to seek help from a qualified healthcare professional for evaluation and support. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health resources, please visit my Etsy shop The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.